So this video is a continuation of how to stop fraudulent loan apps from accessing your contacts or accessing your phone. Now, I have discovered that after going through my last video on how to stop fraudulent loan apps from accessing your contacts, some people still complained that some apps still have access to their contacts. Now we've discovered another method that you can use to overcome this issue. Now the method is simple and straightforward. After following the process of going to Settings, then going to Apps and going to Permission or Apps Permission Manager and deactivating or denying access to your device on those platforms from those apps. Let's imagine we want to deactivate Telegram from having access to our call logs. All I have to do is deny. I believe some people already know that. Then you go back, automatically is taken out of there. Now, if in your case they still have access to your contacts, or you still see those persons actually accessing your contact and sending messages to your contacts, to your friends and family, all you have to do is look for that app. Now let's go back to Telegram. This is a Telegram. All you have to do is click on it for a very long time. Click on App Info, then scroll down. Now look for this area that talks about storage and cache. This cache is like the hub for storing your data. Even though you have denied it, it has some stored data on your platform or on their platform. So now all you have to do is clear cache. In some cases, such as the hub, it does not really save much space like this. All it does is just save a little data, maybe like a small megabyte. Now as you can see, this has been reduced to like 14.5 megabytes, which is probably the size of the app on my phone. Now for a better understanding, let's use one of these loan apps, like this one here, this Umba. Now all you have to do is click it for a very long time, then click on uninstall. Then you don't have to stop, just go to clear storage. So now it is clear, which talks about what they have stored on their part. Then you clear storage, and you can see all that is remaining. Here is just the upsize. Now you are good to go. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you are going to subscribe. But before that, don't forget that we have other videos on how you can stop fraudulent apps from accessing your phone. And also, if you want to help humanity in getting better, you can also check my other video on how to report fraudulent apps to the Play Store so that they can delete them from Google Play Store.